Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and in today's video I will be sharing with you my Sugar Cosmetics haul. So I'm sure you love watching haul videos, and in today's video you will get to see what all makeup products I have purchased from just one brand, that is Sugar Cosmetics. Now in case you're watching me for the first time, my name is Rhea and I put a video on a Tuesday and Friday, and right now this video is day 2 of Vlogmas series 2022. In case you're watching me for the first time, you know the drill. Go subscribe to my channel, like this video, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I purchased products around 6 or 7k, I don't remember, because I purchased these products in the first week of November, and trust me, I've saved the whole thing without touching it. Like, I have touched few products but I haven't used all of them like on a frequent basis because I wanted to make a video for you guys in the Vlogmas series. So just thank my patience, and now let me show you the whole bunch of products I've purchased. So this is the huge box that I've purchased, you can see, and here you can see the products. So I will be opening one by one all of these products and I'll share with you. Also, if you want to purchase these products, I'll be leaving the links in the description box, so it's easy for you to check out the products if you are interested to purchase any of those. Now let's check what I've got. So the first two products that I bought are compact powders. Now you will think, why did you purchase two compact powders? Now one is for my mom and one is for me. Obviously when I'm treating myself, I think I must not forget my mom as well, because she is someone who has never used makeup all her life. Obviously due to different restrictions that are put up on girls, my mom had to go through that. Yeah, but right now that her daughter is into makeup and skincare, I make sure that she enjoys this part of life. So you know, I am doing my best as a daughter, so I thought, why not treat her with her shade of compact powder and my compact powder for my skin tone. So she is a little bit wheatish, so I've got this Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact in the shade 15 Cappuccino for my mom, and in the shade 10 Latte for me, because I am with pink undertones and my skin is a little different from my mom's skin. Maybe I'll put up a photo on the screen so you'll know how my mom looks like. Next product I purchased is their contour palette. Now these palettes are really very much hyped. A lot of people love them and I do as well, and this is my backup because I'm already using one of these. This is the Subtle Sumit contour kit. This is how it looks like, and this is my skin tone. These are the shades that go on my skin tone, and this is what I already have. I'm already using one, but I thought I need a backup, and that is the reason I purchased this. Next product I have is their eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. This is the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette. Wow, ulta tha ye, sorry. So this is how it looks. I already have one that is Fetish, I think 04 Fetish, I don't remember exactly. This is 01 Flawless. So this is a little different from which I have. I wanted to try more of these because their palettes, eyeshadow palettes, are super pigmented, and they are perfect for weddings, festives and party kind of looks. Those heavy shimmery looks with matte colors obviously, and most of the palettes are neutral, so you know they can go on everyday looks as well. They don't look too harsh on your face. So this is what I have got. You can see my fingerprints there because I have swatched them, because I just can't control when I see new makeup. Next product that I bought is the Kabuki foundation brush. This is how it looks like. I haven't opened this one. You can see, here's the proof, I haven't opened it. This is how it looks like. I got this because I've always been using sponges to put on my foundation, but I wanted to give it a try, you know, doing it with a brush as well, so that I can learn these techniques and teach you guys as well. So that is the reason I've got this one, and Sugar is a great brand, and I've used this brush before. My sister had it, so I know how it works, so I've purchased this one this time. So I'm really having high expectations from this product, so that let's see how the foundation goes on my skin with this one. Next product I have is their Wingman Waterproof Micro Eyeliner 01 Albi Black. This is how it looks like. This is the pen eyeliner. I have always used liquid eyeliner, so I wanted to try once with a sketch pen eyeliner, if you can say. that, if it makes sense to you. But yeah, I wanted to give it a try and see how I can amp up my way of using eyeliner, because I am very bad at doing eyeliner. I have recently started using those and I use the liquid ones, so it's a little difficult with that. It's a little fussy, I guess. I am fussy, not the eyeliner. Yeah, so that is the reason I cannot make a perfect wing. So I'll try that with this one, so stay tuned for that. Next product I have is the setting mist with SPF 30. I did not purchase this for the SPF 30 that it has, but I purchased it because I just wanted a setting mist for no reason. For a reason. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? Yeah, so I've been using the Swiss Beauty setting mist, which is excellent. Trust me, it's very affordable and very much excellent. This was expensive, but I have high expectations from this one because it's expensive and because it's Sugar Cosmetics. The next product is the hit product, and this is loved by the Vinita Singh, the owner of Sugar Cosmetics, because I just recently attended her speech at her new store launch. I'll leave the link to the reel that I made on that in the description. You can go watch it. So there she was telling us about how much she loves this and how much this has helped her to do her makeup on the go and give her lashes, that fake lashes kind of a look. And it is true actually. So this is their Double Date Extreme Volume Mascara Duo 01 Black Jack. So what this basically is, I'll make a new video on that, but फिर भी थोड़ा सा brief करती हूँ. So one side there is mascara वाला liquid वाला thing, and on the other side it has those fibers. So when they stick to your lashes, then you again put the mascara, so it makes your lashes look thick, long and voluminous, if you got to know what I tried to say. But yeah, that's that. Next product is the Graphic Jam 36-hour eyeliner 01 Blackest Black. So this is the liquid eyeliner again. I don't know why I got an extra one, but I'm damn sure ये ना गलती से हुआ है. Like I have bought the sketch pen one with my conscious very much in the senses. This got added, I don't know when, but this was a by mistake wala purchase and waste of money. But yeah, this has come and I have to use it now. Next product I have is their Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer 02 Pink Stripping. Now why I got this one? As I told you, I went and met Vinita Singh at a store launch. There I had swatched a lot of their products and there I liked this product. And because it's pink undertone kind of a moisturizer with the glittery particles in it, or shimmery particles you could say, it's a illuminating moisturizer. I thought I'll get this. It's more like a strobe cream actually. I don't know why they call it moisturizer, but yeah, it's a strobe cream and I never had one, so I purchased one. So yeah, this is that. It's beautiful, but I did not see any actual glow kind of thing when I used it, and with that I have revealed that I used this product. Next product I have is the Goddess of Flawless SPF 30 Plus BB Cream 07 Vanilla Latte. I got this BB cream and yeah, I got it. I got it because I wanted to try it so that I could review it. So I'll try it and I'll review it. But I don't have any other reason behind purchasing this one. इससे अच्छा मुझे foundation ले लेना चाहिए था, but that was too expensive. So I invested in a BB cream. So yeah, that is the reason I purchased this. So many of my purchases here are nonsense purchases. Next product I have is Bling Leader Illuminating. Okay, next is their Bling Leader Illuminating Sunscreen SPF 35 PA Triple Plus 02 Pink Trippin. Okay, now about this product, ये product ना free में आ गया था. With the overall total of my purchase, there were like 2 products that I could choose from, and this one was what I chose. And yeah, so I don't know, it has come. I'll use it and I'll let you know how it works. Next product I have here is Mattifying Crayon Lipstick 05 Rose Dawson. So this I have purchased intentionally. Pink nude lipsticks are my favorite, but yeah, this is their crayon lipsticks. These crayon lipsticks are superb. I love them. I have Scarlett O'Hara. I have more shades which I'm not used to with the names. I don't know what to say, but Scarlett O'Hara is like the best red they could have, and the crayon lipstick is so pigmented, glides on your lips, it's super matte, and I don't know what to say, but it's my favorite and many of them like it. And this is one more that I've purchased and I'm super excited. It's very beautiful pink. I'll show you sometime soon. And the very last product of the day is a lipstick again. Nothing else matter. Longwear lipstick 22 Pear Hug. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. Now this shade looked really very different when I purchased it from the Sugar Cosmetics website. But when it came, this is how it looked. I don't know how to explain this, but I was kind of disappointed also कि shade तो ऐसा नहीं था. But I'm liking the shade as well because ये वाला color मैंने ना मतलब खुद से खरीदा होता ना तो I would never purchase this color on my lips, and for some reason I don't like it when I see it, but when I wear it, it looks good, so I like it. So yeah, that's all for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my huge haul with Sugar Cosmetics products. I'll be using these products in the coming videos where I make makeup videos, so stay tuned for that. I have 2 makeup videos coming in super soon in the vlogmas series as well because Christmas is coming, New Year is coming, makeup video तो आना ही है. Subscribe to my channel, stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.